Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification button guys, so once I drop an update, instantly you will get the update instantly. So subscribe, turn on the bell notification. You can also like. Now let's see what we'll be expecting for the week on our gold. Let's start with our trend. So this is our trend literally on gold. We are on a downtrend, which is this is our minor trend, by the way. This is our minor trend. Have it in mind that when you go to the overall trend, which is the full bigger picture, we are in an uptrend. But since this is the minor trend, which is our current movement, I always say trade what you see and not what you think. So this is our current movement. Since that is the case, we would see something like this: our low, this is our lower high, this is our lower low, and here as is our lower high. Now we should be expecting another low for the week, till we should be expecting it to drop to tap a level of 3959 for the week. Once markets is able to drop to tap a level of 3959, expect an update. Like I said, during the week, I'm going to also give you guys an update on what next will happen. So you do not want to miss out. Just subscribe if you've not done that. You can also follow the Telegram. I'll put the link in the comment section.